Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check oxygen cylinder pressure. Begin by ensuring the cylinder is securely positioned upright to prevent it from falling over. Always confirm your work area is well ventilated and completely free of any open flames or electrical sparks. Gather your oxygen cylinder, the appropriate regulator, and any necessary tools like a wrench. This careful preparation helps ensure both your safety and an accurate reading. Your oxygen setup has a few key parts. First, locate the main cylinder valve on top of the tank. This controls the flow of oxygen. Next, identify the pressure regulator, a crucial device that safely reduces the extremely high cylinder pressure to a manageable, safe level for use. Finally, observe the pressure gauge, typically found on the regulator itself. It clearly shows the precise amount of oxygen remaining within your cylinder. Understanding these components is vital for proper operation. Begin by carefully inspecting both the regulator and the cylinder valve for any dirt or debris, cleaning them gently if needed. Then, align the regulator's inlet with the cylinder valve outlet, ensuring they fit together perfectly for a tight seal. Hand tighten the regulator firmly, and use a wrench for a final snug fit only if the instructions specify it, being careful not to over-tighten. Immediately after attachment, listen closely for any hissing sounds, as these indicate a leak. With the regulator attached, slowly open the main cylinder valve by turning it counterclockwise, usually one full turn. Watch as the needle on the pressure gauge quickly rises, displaying the current pressure inside the cylinder. A full cylinder typically registers around 2,000 pounds per square inch, or 138 bar. When the gauge drops below 500 pounds per square inch, this indicates the cylinder is nearly empty and needs replacing soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.